Welcome to Nexus step-by-step training, where we'll guide you through how to add a new service category, how to add a new service, and how to edit a service. Starting from the overview page, click on the admin icon from the main menu on the left-hand side. Click on Service Categories beneath the Service Settings heading. At the bottom, under Name, type the name of your new service. You can add a description if you'd like, and click Add. This has now been added to the list in alphabetical order. Now we can add a new service to this service category. Go back to the admin icon from the main menu and click on Services under the Service Settings heading. Click New Service. Here you can name the new service and select the category to which you want it to belong. And you'll see your new service category there. If you want to change the description or add anything to the description, you can. You can put any details such as pricing and allocated time. Also, you can select what skills a staff member has to have to complete this service. Once you're happy, click Save. It will alert you if you are missing a detail that's needed. In this example, we need a service code. This can be anything internally. I'm going to call it ST and save. Now you'll find it in your list. You can also decrease the list size by looking just for the category. Now to edit. When we click on edit, you'll see that there's a few more options now than there was before, including any service reports that you might need to add for that service. If you'd like to put one on there, click the service report. You can choose whether it's to be required or not, and you can add the service report to that service. You can add new pricing structures to this as well, choosing whether it's a standard rate, a discounted rate, and different times if different training has different timing allocations. The bold, as you can see, this one's going to be what's set as your default. So put the one that you use the most there. If you're happy with your changes, click Save. And that's all for today's training. Happy learning.